Hi guys, welcome back to Panchita's Corner. On this video, we're going to be showing you guys our Very Dice price that we got. So if you guys have not used Very Dice is an app where you can go ahead and roll the dice. You accumulate tickets and you're able to cash those tickets for any prices that they have. They have a lot of prices, from snacks to diapers to wipes to pots and pans to candy. So we were able to get this Dash Heart Mini waffle maker. It was a hot deal, so basically when they have hot deals, they mark all the stuff down to about 90% down. So we were able to get this Heart Mini waffle maker, and we are going to be making some waffles. All the foodies and W warranty, Dash, like a little. There we go. Just a little booklet, and this is it. The Dash mini heart shape. How cute is this? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some keto waffles with just 6 ingredients. And we are going to be using our little mini Dash waffle maker, and this is a heart shape. So let's get started. So we started with 2 tablespoons of almond flour. This is the almond flour that I used. Then we added 2 eggs. Then we added 2 tablespoons of room temperature cream cheese. Then we added 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And we're gonna go ahead and mix this all together, and this is gonna be the waffles. This is what the mix looks like. So I like to pour this into this measuring cup so it's easier for me to pour it into the Dash waffle maker. And here we have our Dash waffle maker. This is a heart-shaped one. Let me show you. So we'll start by spraying. I'm using using some coconut spray. And go. I'm gonna let this cook. So this recipe made 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 heart-shaped waffles. And I always put them on the rack before I put them on my plate, so that way the bottom of the waffle is not soggy. But you can also do is put these on the toaster and let them toast up a little bit. That's also delicious. So this recipe made 6 waffles. I'm gonna go ahead and top it up with some sugar-free whipped cream and some sugar-free cinnamon, and sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon powder on here. So here is the end result. So I made 6 waffles. I topped it off with some whipped cream, some syrup, and some sprinkles on cinnamon powder. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.